Clicking just one button can help you earn over $70, and clicking it 10 times could bring you over $700 in a day. This method is free and available worldwide. Start by heading to Google and searching for ChatGPT. Click the first result, press the Try ChatGPT button and register for an account. Once logged in, type "Give me 10 viral spirituality video ideas related to God" or Jesus. ChatGPT will provide you with ideas for short, engaging spirituality videos. The best part? You don't need to show your face, record your voice, or even use a camera. A free AI tool will handle everything for you. Now, why spirituality? If you search for God's Message Today on YouTube Shorts, you'll find countless faceless videos with millions of views. Channels like God's Message TV are completely faceless yet highly successful, with some videos reaching 8 million views. While YouTube Shorts ad revenue might not be high, these creators make money through brand deals and sponsorships. However, there's an even better way to earn promoting affiliate offers that align with the spirituality niche. To start, visit platforms like Digistore24 or ClickBank, where you'll find numerous spirituality-related offers. For instance, the Divine Prayer offer on ClickBank pays around $77 per click when someone buys through your affiliate link. After getting your referral link, use an AI tool like InVideo to create stunning short videos. Simply copy a video idea from ChatGPT, paste it into InVideo, and let the AI generate a ready-to-publish video. Add your affiliate link to your social media bio, and every click that results in a purchase will earn you a commission. InVideo also offers advanced features to customize your videos. You can edit text, replace music, and even clone your voice for narration. If you prefer multilingual content, InVideo can translate videos into different languages. Once your video is finalized, export it in high quality and share it across platforms like YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Pinterest. Repeating this process consistently can help you earn significant commissions, all while creating content that resonates with audiences seeking spiritual guidance. This strategy combines the power of AI and affiliate marketing to create a sustainable income. Follow the steps, stay consistent, and watch your earnings grow. Remember to like this video and share it with others so they can benefit too. Happy earning!